Hey, welcome back to Grateful Rose River Homestead. Today is the day that we're hoping to get this big old log out of the yard here. Got a friend that I used to work with that is got a heavy duty chain, so we're hoping to get it out of the way, and we thought we'd bring you along to see it. See Papa Bear trying to get the rest of that piece off of there.
Well, let's see if we can drag it over that way.
And hopefully it'll work. Get it out of the yard finally. Tell you what, that tree, that part of that big tree that fell from up there, that is some hard wood. The chainsaw was not doing anything. Of course, it's a small one, so we needed someone that has, like, as I told Papa Bear, a Mac Daddy chainsaw to break this stuff up.
Over here, bro. Try it. Back up here. Flip it off the ball.
Come here, gypsy girl. Excuse me. I don't know, is it gonna work? Might take a few times, different angles.
Come on back. Okay.
Let's see. Honey, you're gonna get stabbed. No, don't do that. Keep your legs back, baby. Oh, something get you, Gypsy. Come here. Oh, first one was a fail. Oh, I don't know. I worry about that pointy end sticking out there.
It's off.
I don't want him getting his legs around there.
It started moving.
We're going to try the other side here now. See if maybe he can turn it around. All right. Gypsy girl, come here, baby.
All right, go forward. There you go.
Yeah, it's moving. Keep your fingers crossed.
Okay.
Come on, Gypsy girl, come here. Well, at least you got the one piece broke off. That'll be easier to get out of the way.
Bring it over this way.
Come here, baby. Okay, it's on there again. It'll be so nice to get that out of here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's digging a little hole or a trailway, but at least it'll be out of the way. So now we're hooking up the Big Ugly. Hopefully we'll be 2 for 2 today and be able to get that out of the way. Here's where the log was laying, and there's Gypsy laying in the dirt. And then the log is now over there out of the way. Caused a little bit of damage with the grass, but that's nothing that we can't take care of. Let's see if they can get this trailer back here. Alright. What a blessing it would be to get that out of here.
Come on back, keep it straight there. Okay, stop. Yeah. We went this way now.
Come here, Gypsy girl.
Don't want to hit the house.
Turn off the radio there. I'm hoping, well, we'll probably get flagged for it, so. Oh, she's moving. She's moving. Let's go. Keep going, keep going. We're gonna do this. She's moving. Oh, look at that. It opens it all up. Thank goodness. You do not even know what weight that is off my shoulder. Getting the Big Ugly out of the front yard. Come here, Gypsy girl. Come here. I know you just want to be part of the fun. Be able to do some cleanup right here. Oh, so much better already. And we're definitely going to keep it. Gypsy, come here. She's fine. There we go. Gypsy, if you can't be good, you're going to have to go in the house. You got to stay out of the way. There she goes. The big ugly is out of the front of the area. It's a good trailer though. I mean, a solid trailer. So we're still going to utilize it. We just don't want to utilize it in front. Excuse me. But like we said before, they moved it up here for the old owner so that she could have easy access to the wood. But we prefer to keep our wood back here out of the way. Just don't have a truck right now to do it ourselves, so it's nice to have friends that'll be willing to help. And we're going to put it back here and park it, and isn't going to make it any prettier, but it'll be out of my front yard, so it's so exciting. And you guys get to join us and seeing it transform. Okay, we started there. There's some that we have brought back here already. And this is going to go into a little, it's like a little nook back here where the log was taken, the big one. Come on, Gypsy. Come on. She just wants to be a part of the action. She's like, Mom, I want to be involved. Stay up here, baby girl. Safer up here. No, no, no. Right here. Starting to sprinkle, so I don't know how much longer I can stand out here and video. Boy, I'm just so relieved that that is out of the way now. And big thanks to my friend Jimmy here, who I used to work with as well, because he was so kind to come out here and do this for us. And it's a week before the big party, so we're excited about that. Just like that, the day is over. It was a productive day. You only saw a small part of it, and to me it was a big part of it. I got a lot of weeding done, chopping and pulling out by the roots, and I was able to expose some stairs that lead out to like some type of docking. I'm not sure what it is yet, but I was able to get that done. I didn't video any of that, but I just want to thank you for joining us, and we love you, and we really appreciate you, and we hope that you will like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And always how you can help us is by sharing our content. Thank you for being part of my family. And again, we bless you, we love you, and we'll see you next time.